American.
Cheeseburger fries and a Diet Coke with mozzarella.
Standard British.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke and mozzarella sticks.
Devonshire.
Cheeseburger fries and Diet Coke with mozzarella
German.
sticks. Cheeseburger fries with Diet Coke and mozzarella
Scottish.
sticks. Cheeseburger fries and a Diet Coke
Geordie.
with mozzarella sticks. Cheeseburger fries.
Brummie.
Cheese Coke.
Yorkshire.
Cheeseburger fries and a Diet
Scouse.
Coke. It's too fast, I can't do it.
Irish.
Cheeseburger fries and a Diet Coke with mozzarella
Russian.
sticks. Cheeseburger fries with Diet Coke and mozzarella sticks.
Cockney.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke, mozzarella sticks, obviously.
South African.
Cheeseburger fries, a Diet Coke, mozzarella sticks.
Northern Irish.
Cheeseburger fries and a Diet Coke with mozzarella sticks.
New Zealand.
Cheeseburger fries with a Diet Coke and mozzarella sticks, thanks.
British RP.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke and mozzarella sticks.
New York.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke and mozzarella sticks.
Australian.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke and mozzarella
Welsh.
sticks. Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke and a mozzarella.
French.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke and a mozzarella.
Southern.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke and mozzarella sticks.
Jamaican.
Cheeseburger fries and a Diet Coke with mozzarella sticks.
West Country.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke and mozzarella sticks.
Spanish.
Cheeseburger fries.
Canadian.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke.
Dutch.
Cheeseburger fries, Diet Coke with mozzarella sticks, obviously. So I missed a couple, so I have to go back. Geordie would be like, could I have a cheeseburger with fries and a Diet Coke with mozzarella sticks? Brummie would be cheeseburger fries and a Diet Coke with mozzarella sticks. Scouse, cheeseburger, fries and a Diet Coke with mozzarella sticks. It was so fast trying to get it out, like trying to do it super fast, like. Do you know what I mean? I think I got the American, yeah, and I got the Irish. Did I do Cockney? I can't remember. So, cheeseburger, fries and a Diet Coke with mozzarella sticks, obviously. Right, okay, I think I've got them all. If I missed one, let me know in the comments and I'll try and do it again. It was too fast, babes. It was too fast.